Loading up. About to head to Warren, pick up this Monte Carlo. Just at the truck stop right now. Make sure all my lights working and everything. Y'all think we ready to roll? I think we ready to roll. Catch y'all here in a minute. Shop. Pull this joker back home. Got the roof installed in that thing. Let's climb up this. Let's turn it real quick. See that? That panoramic. Yes, sir, ski. SS Monte Carlo. With the panoramic. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. About 1 o'clock, I think 1 o'clock, 1:30. So if I don't get it unloaded here shortly, it'll be in a few hours. Might take a little nap, might be a long night at the shop. But we got the interior stripped down next. I'm gonna show some clips of that. So y'all just stay tuned. It's gonna be real nice when we get done with it. Still undecisive for what brand the customer want, either Ruchas or Forgiatos. But we gonna see. It's gonna be something nice. So y'all just stay tuned. See y'all in a few hours on the interior strip down. We got the car in the shop, and the breakdown begins. Got the roof installed, as y'all can see. So we about to go with some looks. I think we're gonna go with black and maroon. Wrap the plastic pieces as far as the door panels. We're gonna put carpet back at the bottom. Not for sure what design will go yet on the door panels or the seats. The dash gonna be pulled and wrapped. These plastic pieces gonna be wrapped. New carpet, of course. That's the sunroof, the inside look. It's the big panoramic. It's the big panoramic. gonna make a custom dash to go back there. I think this we're gonna install the music as well. Console, new seats gonna be installed. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated on that, what kind of seats I'm gonna go with. But new console, gonna have the sunroof switches in the console. I said, just got this back. My guy primed me up too, primed up. So I don't have to worry about that until it get done, you know, with the outside for its paint and body. Everything smooth, no humps in it. Like come factory. Let y'all check this out real quick. Let y'all check that out. That's real time. Let y'all check that out. Everything worked. It's come off a Cadillac CTS, if I'm not mistaken. You can stop in any position. Mid, that's the full open right there. All the way closed. You can vent it right there. Close all the way right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Even got the shade working. Even the shade work. Y'all check it out. Check it out. But yeah, I think it's a rough spot right there. So whenever, after I get done, that's gonna get fixed. This is being covered right now, but we're just showing y'all the look before the breakdown. Tell me what y'all think. Like I said, get in the comment section. If those haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe. We working on these bills. We got, like I said, this project, this Monte Carlo. We got a box Chevy right there. We got a shop full of stuff. We got Bubba Caprice parts in here. Gotta put a shim on this door. Grease up that door real good. We got, I said, Bubba Caprice parts that's being painted. Want y'all take a look, man. OBS seats over there, those black seats, more Monte Carlo seats, another sunroof to the box Chevy over there in the corner. We got 5.0 Mustang seats over there in the corner. We got a bunch of projects going on. Y'all just gotta stay tuned. We got a video on each one of them. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, guys, be back in a minute.